Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack Rar and Zip archives on your ASUS Zenfone 9. So in order to do this, you'll need to get the Rar app, and we've shown you how to download it in our other video. So now let's open it. From here, navigate to the folder that contains your Rar or Zip archive. Simply click on it. Then click on this arrow pointing up. You'll unpack entire archive. So let's click on the browse to change the designation where the files will be unpacked. I want them in the movies. You can change any of the settings and then click on OK. And that way you'll unpack 3 of the files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.